Jai Hind students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Now, we are going to start the chapter Diversity and Discrimination, and in the first module, we will discuss about differences and prejudice. There are many things that make us what we are, as how we live, the language which we speak, what we eat, the dress, the cloth which we wear, the games we play, and several things, the festivals which we celebrate and all. All of these are influenced both by the geography as well as history of the place where we live. There are more than 8 major religions in the world. Every single one of them is practiced in India. We have more than 1600 languages that are people's mother tongues, and there are more than 1,100 dance forms. Yet this diversity is not always celebrated. This is because we feel safe and secure with the people who look, who talk and dress like us. Sometimes we meet people who are very different from us. We may find them strange and unfamiliar. At times we may not understand or know the reason why they are different from us. People also form certain attitudes and opinions about others who are not like them, and very easily we say that they are inferior. We are superior and they are inferior. And that thinking is a kind of prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively, to see them as inferior. When we generally take anybody or we think that yes, the particular way, the only one particular way is the best and right, and all other ways are not respected or they are wrong. So in this way we can say that is prejudice is the negative feeling or the biased opinion. It may be about language. For example, even we being an Indian, we feel like English is the superior language. If we do not know English, that means we do not know anything. That is also prejudice, that English is the superior or the best language, supermost language. If we talk about color, cloth, there also we have certain prejudice about color, white and black. There are several prejudices. Now if we talk about stereotype, so it is perceived notion about the group of people where we fix people into one image. There are certain gender differences. Boys don't cry. People say all sort of things, like from disabled to children with special needs. It has become. There are certain things, like if we talk about stereotype, as girls are generally soft spoken. But is it so? Boys are always rough and tough. Boys should be rough and tough. Why so? Boys should not cry. Boys are rowdy. So these are who are naughty. Generally we easily indicate boys that they are the naughty. Who are more emotional? Girls are emotional. Who are good at sport? Boys. Who are good at cooking? Girls. But you will find the best chef is a male. It's not a female. Female can also be very good sportswoman. So this is nothing else. This is stereotype. And when we fix people into one image, we create stereotype. So in this module, this much only we will discuss. For further information, for further learning, please stay tuned. Thank you. Jai Hind.